In this video I will show you how to completely uninstall XAMPP server on Windows PC. Here I will show you in Windows 11, but it works in Windows 10 as well. So first of all, back up your data. For this, we need to save web files and database files in different locations to keep your project in a safe location. For this, save htdocs from XAMPP folder and data folder from MySQL to different location. After backupping htdocs and data folder, let's move to uninstallation process. After backupping, let's stop XAMPP services. For this, go to search and type XAMPP and then select XAMPP control panel from the list. Next, click stop next to all active services. Normally it will be for Apache and MySQL services. After that, close the XAMPP control panel. Now let's run uninstaller to uninstall XAMPP server. For this, go to search and type settings and then select settings from the list. Then on the left pane, click on apps. Next, click on installed apps. There, search for XAMPP. Click the three dots next to it and select uninstall. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. Here you will see uninstallation screen. Just click on yes. Just wait for this to complete. Just wait for this to complete. As we have already kept these files, you can click on yes to continue. After uninstalling completely, let's remove leftover files. For this, go to C drive and there, if you find XAMPP folder, then just delete that file as shown here. After that, restart your PC. After doing this, we successfully completely uninstall XAMPP server. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.